Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can sync all of our iCloud data to Windows. So for that you need to search for iCloud for Windows on your browser, and you can use any browser. Just click on this very first link that you will see in the search results, which is download iCloud for Windows. It is from Apple support, so just open it up, and after that it will lead you to this page. Just click on download iCloud for Windows from Microsoft Store, and this is where it will lead you to. Just click on get in store app. Since I'm on Mac right now, that's why this option is not enabled for me. For you, when you try to install it on your Windows PC or laptop, you can just click on get in store app and get it for free. And after that you will be able to sync all your photos, your contacts, your password or bookmarks, every single thing from iCloud. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.